Welcome to the Vendor Portal, a complete supplier relationship management solution. This video series is designed to help you effectively use the portal for managing vendor-related tasks, from onboarding suppliers to handling procurement processes and more. In this introductory video, we'll provide a high-level overview of the portal, starting from the dashboard, a centralized space that gives you a clear view of key activities. The dashboard is role-based, so admins and vendors will each see information relevant to their responsibilities. Here are the key features of our vendor portal. Vendor onboarding: add vendors manually or enable self-registration with multi-level approvals. Quote comparison: define your company's transaction currency and easily compare quotations from multiple vendors. Contract management: upload, track, and manage contracts while maintaining compliance. Flexible approval workflow: ensure proper review and authorization for every procurement step. Configurable roles and permissions: manage access with role-based controls. Legal entity setup: manage multiple entities with a streamlined setup process. And many more features to support your daily operations. You can also apply your company branding to keep the portal aligned with your brand identity. In the upcoming videos, we'll walk you through each module step by step. Each video is designed to be simple, clear, and focused, so you can quickly find the guidance you need. And that's it for this introduction. Thanks for watching.